अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस मैं आपको ना गूगल पब्लिक क्लाउड के बारे में बताऊंगी। हमें सबसे पहले क्रोम ब्राउज़र ओपन करना है। उसमें हमें google.com वाली वेबसाइट ओपन करनी है। इसमें हमें लिखना है गूगल पब्लिक क्लाउड। ये हमें सर्च करना है। ये हमें ओपन करना है। What is a public cloud? Public cloud is a type of computing where resources are owned by a third-party provider via the internet and shared by organizations and individuals who want to use or purchase them. Some public clouds computing resources are available for free, while customers may pay for other resources through subscription or pay per usage preaching models from artificial intelligence services and develop tools to the storage and computing capacity for virtually and workload. Public cloud help companies to harness cutting edge technologies and achieve Google scale without shouldering the cost and lowball themselves. Public cloud contrasts with private cloud models where the resources are available only to a single organization and the data center is managed either on premises or off site by a vendor. For organizations looking for an alternate to traditional on premises IT architectures or other types of cloud computing, the public cloud offers nearly infinite scalability and self-services provisioning to meet workload and user demands. Public cloud definition. A public cloud is an IT model where public cloud service providers make computing services include compute and storage, develop and deploy environments and applications available on demand to organizations and individuals over the public internet. Private cloud vs public clouds. The main difference between public cloud and private cloud is where it is hosted and who is responsible for managing it. Public cloud uses shared infrastructures, while private cloud are use your organization on dedicated infrastructure. Other common cloud models include hybrid cloud, which combines public and private clouds, and multi-clouds, where customers employ cloud services spanning multiple public clouds perform such as Google Cloud pools resources in distributed data centers around the world that multiple companion and user can access from the internet rather than an in-house teams. The public clouds providers are responsible for managing and maintaining the underlying infrastructures. As a result, leveraging public cloud services reduces IT operational cost and free up time for teams to focus on valuable work that indirectly benefits the business. A common public cloud example is to think of it as similar to renting as apartment. You pay rent for a single unit, the building manager handles the maintenance, you share the overall space with other tenants with security around your own belonging. Private cloud is more like owning a house where you have your own personal space that belongs to you, but you are also personally responsible for the overall care and upkeep. However, there are cases where a business may choose a private cloud to fulfill certain requirements such as industry or region specific compliance and data sovereignty needs. Public cloud lets you automatically scale you up your compute and storage resources along with the increased security and services you need.